Okay, this must be the best camping in the world. It's only BMWs allowed. This is the day before Bimmers of Sweden. And it's funny, it's like best camping ever. Only BMWs, E36, O2s, everything. So it's raining too much, but I think here is the end of the camping, or it even continues over there. Wow. So, wow, check out that E34. Anyway, this is like the best camping in the world. Only BMWs. What is done with that E38? That's funny. I guess we're in the E38 crew section. Party is starting. I guess BMW needs to start to do BMW campers or something. Because this was like the best BMW, best camping in the world, only BMWs. It's raining like hell. But tomorrow there will not be any rain, which is great. So we have a low E36. It's kind of rised out. Wow, this rain is getting ridiculous. Shit. Okay, I'm really gonna be wet. Great. Anyway, what will I not do for you viewers? We have a nice M5. A nice M5. Of all the cars here, I would choose the M5 F10. I like this one. This guy is chilling out in the car. Nice. I'm not sure about these cars. Anyway, M6. That's nice. This was a damn rainy. I hope my camera will hold up. Anyway, I forgot an umbrella. That guy didn't. Anyway, the best camping in the world. So I guess I need to cover the camera here. This is an interesting BMW tent. E36 tent. Anyway,